Hello students, welcome back to your computer science class. I am Mrs. Jenny Shah and today we will start with a new chapter 13 Dictionaries of Python. Python is another data type, it's another data structure. There are so many ways to organize collections of data items like string, list, dictionaries, tuples, etc. We've already done string, list and tuples. Now we will learn about dictionaries. After studying this chapter, you will be able to understand the need of dictionaries, solve problems using dictionaries, get clear idea about dictionaries functions and understand the difference between list and dictionary. What is a dictionary? Among the built-in Python data types is a very versatile data type called a dictionary. Dictionaries are simply another type of collection in Python, but with a twist. Instead of having an index number associated with each data item, like we saw in lists and strings, dictionary has a key and a value to that key. This is dictionary. Python dictionaries are a collection of some key value pair. Just like an English dictionary where you can search for a word's meaning because of the word and there is a meaning associated with it. Similarly, in Python dictionary, you will have key and the key will have associated value attached to it. Dictionaries are containers that associate key to values. This is in a way similar to list, but in a list you must remember the index value of an element from the list. But with the case of dictionaries, you just have to remember the key to find the element in a dictionary. Dictionaries are mutable, unordered collections with elements in the form of a key value pair that associate the key to the values. A dictionary is like a list, but more in general. In a list, index value is an integer, while in a dictionary, index value can be any other data type and are called keys. The key will be used as a string and it is easy to recall. A dictionary is an extremely useful data storage construct for storing and retrieving all key value pairs, where each element is accessed by a unique key. However, dictionary keys are not in sequences and hence they are not maintained in a left to right order. All this will become clear to you as and when we proceed with the chapter. Key value pair. We can refer to a dictionary as a mapping between a set of indices, which are called keys, and a set of values. Each key maps a value. The association of a key and value is called a key value pair. So one example is given to us over here. MyDict, that's the name of the dictionary. If you remember, tuples used brown brackets, lists used box brackets. Similarly, dictionary uses curly braces. And inside it, we have key 1 and then you have a colon which separates the key and value and then you have a comma which separates different keys. Okay, so key 1 value 1, key 2 value 2, key 3 value 3, and so on. So in dictionaries, curly brackets are used to represent a dictionary. Each pair in a dictionary is represented by a key and value separated by a colon. Multiple pairs are separated by V commas. A dictionary is an ordered collection of key value pairs.
So these are the points of the dictionary. A dictionary is an unordered collection of key value pairs. A dictionary has length, just like string and list and tuples. Even a dictionary has length, specifically the number of the key value pairs, not key value pairs individually. So it will not count every key and every value. It will count the key value pair as one. So how many key value pairs are there? That will be the length of the dictionary. A dictionary provides fast lookup by the key method, and the keys must be immutable object types. It's very important that whatever goes in the key part is immutable. Now, I'll just give you a example over here. So you can see a dictionary is something like this. Okay. Okay. So basically, a dictionary is a part of, if you divide each one of these into two parts. Okay, this is the key and this is the value. So for example, let's say key is A, B, C, D, E, F, and G, H, I. The reason I have used a string over here is because the string is immutable. The key, whatever we enter in the key part, has to be immutable. It's very important that it is immutable. So I cannot use integer here. I cannot use list over here. I can use a tuple because tuple is immutable. I can use a tuple. I cannot use an integer. Okay, I can use a string. So I am using strings over here. Okay, so this became my key, and then let's put the value as anything. Values can be strings, values can be integers, values can be lists, values can be tuples, values can be anything. So I'm just using some different ones. Apple over here and over here 5 commas, suppose. So if I want to print 1 on the screen, I have to, like for example, in a list we used to use something like this: the name of the list and the index number in box brackets. Over here we use the name of the dictionary, and in the box bracket we use the key. So we use A, B, C. Okay, so what I'm trying to tell over here is that to access values from a key, from a dictionary, you must remember the key values. So the keys must be in immutable object type, and each pair in the dictionary is represented by a key and values and separated by a colon. So we can refer to a dictionary as a map between a set of indices, which are called keys, and a set of value. Each key maps itself to a value, and the association of a key and value is called a key value pair. It's called a key value pair. Okay, so this is one diagram. Let's say A is the name of my dictionary, and You can see 1, 2, and 3 are used as the keys, and the number 1, 2, and 3 are used as the value. Creating a dictionary. How do we create a dictionary? The function to create a dictionary, you need to include the key value pairs in curly braces. The function dict is also used to create a new dictionary with no items. That means to create an empty dictionary. This function is called built-in function, and we can also create dictionary using curly braces. Okay, so if you are using curly braces, you have to use a set syntax. For example, over here, device equals to, and then we have made a dictionary called device in curly braces. 4 is the number, 4 is the key, scanner is the value, 3 is the key, printer is the value, 2 is the key, mouse is the value, 1 is the key, keyboard is the value. And when we print this in the shell, when I use the name of the dictionary device, you can see the entire thing has been printed. So the curly brackets over here, they mark the beginning and end of the dictionary. Each entry, that is each key value pair, consists of a pair which is separated by a colon. The key and the corresponding value is given by writing a colon between them. The key value pairs are separated by commas. Okay. Over here you can see there are 4 key value pairs. Okay. Creating and traversing a dictionary. So over here you can see there is a separate function called defined creating dictionary. Device has been written, and then look at this, for I in device. So when I say this, for I in device, I will take the value of each and every key of the dictionary. So now first the value of I will be 4, then 3, then 2, and then 1. Next we will say print device, that is the name of the dictionary, in the place of I. So over here, just like in list we used to have index value, over here I will be the key values. Okay, so it will print each and every value of that key. When you are printing on the screen, you will print the value of that key. Practice this for today. Next class we will continue from here. Okay, till then, stay home, stay safe, take care, keep learning. Thank you.